Let's create this beautiful Flipbox layouts using Product Layouts plugin. Go to Product Layouts. Create Flipbox layouts. Create a style. Set a name and save. Successfully create our layout. Go to Product Query. I set -1. For example, we show all product in a page. You can adjust the other options as needed. We can use shortcodes anywhere, but as an example, I'm using shortcodes to display layouts on a page. Copy the shortcode. Back to Dashboard and create a new page. Set a title. Paste the shortcode. Publish and view page. This is our attractive product layout. Thanks for watching the video.